The biggest driver in our decision to join Techstars was the unparalleled access that will be given to Alabama Power Company to be able to interview potential customers and get feedback on our solution and to just better understand their pain points is really critical as we develop our business.
Hi everyone, I'm Ian Gibson, COO and co-founder of Pitch Aeronautics. And this is a lineman literally hanging out of a helicopter while performing an installation on a power line. And this is a lineman hanging out of a bucket truck. As you might imagine, these installation methods are incredibly expensive, costing upwards of $70,000 for a single install. They're time-consuming and dangerous. At times, utility operators have to de-energize portions of the line, resulting in costly line outages. I'm excited to introduce Pitch Aeronautics and our revolutionary drone platform, Astria, which was purpose-built to solve this problem by performing touch-based installation tasks on industrial infrastructure, including on energized power lines, reducing the need for costly line outages. We can do it all at a fraction of the cost of existing methods, all while keeping linemen safely on the ground and out of harm's way. Astria truly is an installation and maintenance platform. Our interchangeable payload arm allows us to quickly adapt to the task at hand, and the entire system collapses down into a carrying case about the size of a golf bag, allowing installers to reach even the most remote job sites. But we didn't just build a drone. We're building an end-to-end solution, including a portfolio of devices and components which are uniquely designed to deploy via our drone platform, Astria. This is one example, our IoT sensor. Did you know that the biggest barrier to greater use of renewable energy is insufficient transmission line capacity? The average renewable project waits 5 years just to connect to the grid. But what if I told you that we could unlock existing capacity in our existing infrastructure without having to incur costly line upgrades? Well, now we can with Pitch's IoT sensor. When installed on the line, it wirelessly transmits data, weather and environmental data to utility operators, allowing them to send up to 20% more energy through the line. And that's not all. This same sensor proactively detects line faults and failures before they result in costly line outages or, even worse, destructive wildfires. This is our bird diverter, the feather fender. You like the name? Nearly 60 million birds die every single year when they come into contact with a power line that they did not see. But up to 90% of these deaths are completely preventable by installing bird diverters, reflective devices that allow the bird to see and avoid the line. Pitch's bird diverter, the feather fender, was designed in consultation with avian biologists, using the most rugged materials to ensure a long, useful life on the line. And the best part, we can install 15 of these in a matter of minutes with our drone platform, Astria. We're not just building our own components. We're in discussions and consultations with 6 other component manufacturers who want Pitch to install their components as well. To sum it up, our business model is simple. We provide an end-to-end managed service where we sell and install components on the line, just like this, us installing an IoT sensor on an energized distribution line in Idaho. And we were the first in the world to do it. Our team and our company was founded by Air Force veterans, myself and my co-founder, Zach Adams. Zach is not only just a PhD, he's also an F-15E Strike Eagle pilot, which means he knows how to fly and make things fly. I spent the last 8 years developing and deploying cutting-edge technology, both in the Air Force and in private industry. And we have momentum. Over $2.7 million in federal funding, including our recent selection just last month as the prime awardee of the DOE's Grid Enhancing Technologies funding opportunity, which will enable large-scale deployment and demonstration of our technology with our partner, Idaho Power. And we just closed our seed round. But we're always on the lookout for demonstration partners and customers who can benefit from our solutions, so we'd love to meet with you. I started by saying that this is the problem that we're solving. And while that's true, the bigger reality is that these inefficient installation methods are barriers. They're barriers to preventing destructive wildfires, barriers to ushering in greater use of renewable energy sources, and barriers to better protecting our wildlife. These are the big problems that Pitch is solving, and we're just getting started. Thank you.